Everyone, this is Easymath. In this video, we are going to see an interesting fact about square numbers, that is the perfect squares. Do you know the number of non-square numbers between the squares of two consecutive numbers? Non-square, what are non-square numbers? For example, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, etc. etc. That is, these numbers are not obtained by multiplying a number by itself. Okay, so they are non-square numbers. For example, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. They are square numbers. Now, these are all non-square numbers. Now, how many such non-square numbers are there between the squares of two consecutive numbers? Squares of two consecutive. What do you mean by consecutive? Continuous. 1 and 2 are consecutive, 3 and 4 are consecutive, 5 and 6 are consecutive, 10 and 11 are consecutive. Consecutive means to continuous. So, how many non-square numbers are there between two continuous square numbers? How to get a square number? Multiply a number by itself. Now, let us take an example. Between 1 square and 2 square, 1 and 2 are consecutive, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Now, between 1 and 4, we have numbers 2 and 3 which are non-squares. They are not square numbers. Okay, how many non-square numbers are there? 2. Now, I'll take another example. Between 3 and 4, they are consecutive numbers. Now, we'll take square of them. 3 square and 4 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. And how many numbers are there between 9 and 16? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many are there? Here there are 2 numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are here. And next, let us take one more example. 5 square and 6 square. 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. And how many non-square numbers are there between them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there between 25 and 36. And there is an easy way to find it. What is it? Just you multiply without writing these numbers and counting. We can directly do it just by multiply out of these two consecutive numbers. The smaller number 1, multiply this 1 by 2. 1 into 2 gives you what? 2. And there will be 2 non-square numbers. Check. Are there 2 non-square numbers between 1 and 2? Yes. Now, between 3 and 4, which is a smaller number? 3. 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. Multiply the smaller number by 2. 3 2s are 6. Now, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, are we getting the same 6? Okay, now 5 and 6. 2 into or what which is smaller number out of 5 and 6? 5 is a smaller number. This has to be multiplied by 2. Always multiply by 2 only. 5 2s are 10. And you must have 10 non-square numbers between 5 square and 6 square. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, are we getting the same 10? And this method can be used only for between two consecutive numbers. Suppose if you want to find the number of squares between 7 square and 10 square, we cannot use this shortcut method, this formula, because 7 and 10 are not consecutive. They are not continuous numbers. So that is why in the statement it says very clearly between two consecutive numbers. So in general, we can derive the rule as between n square and n plus 1 the whole square. N square is the first number. For example, if it is 3 square and 3 plus 1, 4 square. If this is 3 and this is 3 plus 1. If this is 4, this is 4 plus 1, 5. If this is 6, this is 6 plus 1, 7. So, between 3 square and 3 plus 1, 4 square. In general, between n square and the next number is n plus 1, the whole square. There are, how many non-square numbers are there? There are 2n non-square numbers are there between two consecutive squares. Okay, is that clear?